Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by shutting the console down fully. Hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds, then unplug every cable and remove external drives. Once done, move the 1S to a flat, hard surface with at least 4 to 6 inches of clearance around it so airflow isn't blocked. Now use short bursts of compressed air at a 45 degrees angle to blow out vents. Make sure you don't let the fan spin freely or use a hairdryer, because that can damage bearings. Next, you tackle deeper cleaning. Use a soft brush to loosen dust, then a low-suction vacuum around vents and ports to pick it up. If you're comfortable and out of warranty, remove the outer shell to gently clear internal dust. Do this carefully and keep track of screws. Remember that opening can void warranty. Also inspect the power brick for heat marks and plug the console into a different outlet to rule out power issues, because a weak supply makes systems run hotter. Finish by reassembling the unit, reconnecting cables, and installing any pending Xbox system updates. Software fixes can change fan curves. Then run short monitored play sessions to confirm temperatures drop, and always operate the console on an elevated stand or cooling pad. Don't run it inside a closed cabinet. If overheating persists despite these steps, perform a factory reset to rule out software faults. And if that fails, contact support or arrange professional repair, because persistent thermal issues often indicate failing hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.